What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a self-driving car using Python tutorial series. In this video we are going to discuss about the region of interest. So let's start. First of all, we don't need a for loop over here. Let's create a function name ROI, the short form of the region of interest. Def ROI img vertices mask equals to np dot zeros like underscore like image cv2 dot fill poly mask vertices and 255. Mask is equals to cv2 dot we use bitwise and here image and mask return mask. Now write into the process image functions vertices is equals to np dot array we have passed some value over here. Yeah, it's done. Now process image is equals to ROI process image vertices. We take vertices as an array. So now let's run it. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Hope you have a nice day. Stay happy.